Welcome to Lada Tech Hub. In today's video, I'm introducing you to a helpful VPN app called APNA Tunnel, designed to enhance your browsing experience with secure and fast connections. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming content, or looking for more online privacy, this app is worth checking out. Let's go step by step through the installation and setup process. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and tap the Play Store icon to open it. At the top of the screen, tap the search icon, then type APNA Tunnel into the search bar and hit enter. From the list of results, look for the app titled APNA Tunnel VPN. It should have a distinctive VPN icon. Tap the app to open its details page, then press the install button. The installation may take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Step 2. Once installed, you'll see an open button. Tap it to launch the VPN. The app will take you to the APNA Tunnel home screen. At this point, you might get a notification access request. Allow it if you'd like to receive connection updates, or skip it based on your preferences. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on so the app can load the available servers. Note, it's normal for the app to restart automatically during this process. Step 3. The APNA Tunnel interface is divided into two main sections: the server selection area, the protocol and tweaks section. To pick a server, tap on the server section. You'll see a list of available server locations. Choose one based on your preference. You can switch servers anytime. Step 4. Next, tap the Tweaks button to access a list of built-in configurations. Scroll through and select the tweak that best matches your intended usage. These tweaks are optimized for performance and ease of use. If you want to use your own custom configuration, you can activate custom settings. Tap the radio button next to Custom Settings in the top right. A new window will appear, allowing you to choose protocols such as Slow DNS, V2RAY, SSL, and others. Some protocols may need custom servers, while others work with the built-in server list. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Until next time, stay safe and browse smart. Waving hand.